Hi, I'm Matt. I'm Matt. Haim. That's Haim. That's a band. Hi, I'm Matt, the big sleepologist here at Red Pepper. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:52 a.m.
Wrong. It's Touch on Tech time, where we get smart on the latest in tech so we can share it with you. So OpenAI's got a new trick up their sleeve this week. They've created an AI that will take a string of text, like a little phrase, and turn it into an image. It'll just generate an image out of nothing. You could say, give me some high tops with some hot chicken waffles. Boom, new designs, left and right. What about King Kong walking down the street wearing a suit made of Wall Street bets? Yeah, it's got an image for that. So you can create custom targeted images on the fly that are directed directly towards a specific person and their interests. You could take their browser history, their preferences, and create an advertisement image that is exactly what they would want to click on. Hey, OpenAI, create me an image that makes people give me their money. Boom, business is done. Augmented reality markerless tracking. What does that even mean? Well, normally augmented reality has to find something in your camera viewfinder that it can attach objects to. But in this new world, you don't have to have like a little marker. You just use their body. And you can attach clothes to their body that look legit, and they're all computer generated. They stick right to the person's body. They have shadows and they have reflections. So let's just say you're at a big game and you happen to win it, but the people who are making the hats for the big game don't know who's going to be the winner. Instead of just creating tons of hats for both teams, you can just have a blank hat and you can overlay the team winner. This is the future of sustainable clothing that we all need. So the first 3D printed house goes on sale up in Long Island for $300,000. So if you could 3D print a house, you could just 3D print, I guess, anything that's huge. You could 3D print a skyscraper. Oh, look, Empire State Building, pretty cool. I think I'll print one, put it next to my own house. My neighbors would not like it because I'd have to tear down 10 of their houses to put it there. So that's probably why they wouldn't like it. Do you want to visit the most exclusive website in the world? Well, now you can. And what is it? It's a site that you can't get in. You have to wait in line to enter. So when you go to the site, you hear a little bit of elevator music while you wait your turn to see what's inside. I've yet to see what's inside because I can't get under 200 in the queue. So this is the ultimate pandemic-friendly way to launch a product with limited releases because people are going to line up and you just let them in one at a time. So after you've waited in a virtual line to get into a website to view augmented reality clothes, well, now you can actually touch those clothes virtually. There's a new pair of haptic gloves on the market so that when you're touching virtual things, you can actually feel the resistance. You can say, oh, hey, look, those clothes feel very nice. I think I will buy those. Well, in This Week in Skynet, Boston Dynamics is back at it with Spot. And they've got a new trick up their sleeve. And the trick is that Spot has an arm. So he can have sleeves now. And he can put tricks up them. Well, it can open doors for you. It can pick up clothes. It can plant trees. And I don't know, it can make graffiti. So what would you do with your own Spot? Leave a comment down below. Well, that's it for another edition of Touch on Tech. Alexa, say goodbye.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Well, you all have a good night. I am apparently going to. See you again next time on another edition of Touch on Tech.